Elite Builder for You presents the smartest way to secure your future is through real estate, an investment that builds wealth, stability, and a legacy for generations. In the U.S., home prices rose 3.9% in the past year, and analysts project steady growth of over 4% annually through 2030. Even with market shifts, real estate continues to outperform most investments. It's a tangible asset that grows with time. Right now is a unique moment. While many buyers hesitate, investors are stepping in to capture opportunities in a market with limited supply and strong demand. Acting today means securing tomorrow's value. That's where Elite Builder for You makes the difference. We're not just property sellers, we're partners in your success. From choosing the right land, planning and design, to construction and finishing, we guide you every step of the way. Our in-house expertise reduces risk, maximizes return, and ensures your investment isn't just a property, it's a foundation for lasting wealth. Your future is built today. Let's turn your vision into reality. Visit www.elitebuilderforyou.com to explore our portfolio and schedule a free consultation. Elite Builder, for you, building wealth, building futures.